Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Well, what we're going to do here, folks, we're following a beautiful pattern on Solar City, SCTY. The stock, as you can see, has hammered on the $30 level constantly today twice. And if you go back, it's actually a former support resistance area. So this level's key. And what we're noticing here is towards the end of the trading day, you're starting to build a little bit of consolidation. This is a bullish consolidation pattern, 20 MA coming up underneath price, 50 MA slowly coming up as well. And this pattern should yield a pop up to 30 and a pierce of 30. All right, so again, 30 being the key level here. You got the even number, you got the bullish pattern, you got the time count factors involved here. You got a lot of good factors that should yield a very good, solid trade to the upside. This trade will most likely take about 30 minutes to work out, but when it does, you should make an easy approximately $300 just on a small share size position of 1,000. So again, that's all I'm going to play. Normally, I play 3,000 to 4,000 shares on something like this, but I want to show you guys how someone at home, just using a small share size, using a day trading margin account, can make some good, solid money. All right, so again, as we're watching this, it's actually starting to uptick already, so I have to kind of be a little bit on a heads-up pattern here. What we'll do is we'll put the order out at the 29.75 level and see if it gets filled. So let's do that now here, folks, and see what we got here. And there it is. There's my, whoop, just got filled. All right, so I'm in, folks. So we're in. I like that entry. 29.75 seems like a solid entry here. And look now over the next 30 minutes to see this pop into approximately the 3 o'clock time frame on this nice pattern on Solar City. All right, guys. So again, we'll be watching this and try to make what I'm going to look for is a 5-cent to 7-cent pierce of the even number of 30. And I always use limit orders just for everyone always asks me, do you ever use market orders? I always use limit orders because I'd rather be safe. You never know with a market order if they want to screw you or not. So it's always better to use limit orders. Okay, even on liquid stocks, I still use limit orders just to be a little on the safe side. Plus, it gets me in the routine of always using limit orders. All right, so bottom line is you have the bullish pattern right here, the 30 even number, the 20 sloping up, and ultimately what I'm speculating based on what I know from the PPT methodology, we should be able to clear about $300 in about 30 minutes or so on this Solar City trade. Just to update here, folks, I'm still in my 1,000 shares of Solar City at $29.75. Showing you how this pattern will play out. I'm now up about a dime on that, so $100 gain, as we are about 15 to 20 minutes into the trade as it's slowly inching up to that 30 level. And again, when it gets near that 30 level, you'll see a big buy come in. It'll flush through $30, and what we want to do is take it off just on that pierce. I'm going to look to make around $300 on this trade. And you can see it start to move as the 20 MA is coming up underneath. Really beautiful little trade setup here, folks. And again, it's just that easy. I mean, once you know what you're doing, when you know price pattern and time, and you find it in a chart, you can figure out how much risk reward there is, factor it in, decide if that trade is for you, take the trade, and pocket the returns. Solar City pushing up, guys. Just cleared $29.90. Here we go, $29.93. All right, what I got to do now is be smart and put out a sell order on a pierce. So let's bring this up and put this out, because sometimes it'll be really fast, and you don't want to miss it and then have it come back in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in at $30.06, which will be a 31-cent gain for me. So that'll be $310. All right, so let's put it out there. At least have it out there. If it doesn't come up there for now, that's fine. But you don't want to be kind of caught with your pants down. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be caught and just be like, uh-oh. I just missed it and now it's too late. But look at this trade working perfectly so far, guys. Classic trade here. All right, guys, we're coming right up to it. $29.97 prints coming through. $29.97. Let's see if we slam through. Now, sometimes you're going to expect some resistance here because it's obviously been resistance prior. But the key is that at this point, you should blast through this level. Let's go check out where my order is. There's my order, 1,000 shares at $30.06. And let's go back. And again, we're printing 29.96s here. And this is where you have fun, guys. I mean, this is where you live the dream. Just think about it. Right now, I'm trading up already over $200 gain on this trade. And, I mean, I'm sitting here behind my desk, relaxing, enjoying, no stress, because I know the PPT. Most day traders, they stress so much because they don't know what they're doing. If you know what you're doing, it's stress-free, and you can live life to the fullest. $29.99. Here we go. Boom. Out. Done. Just like that. $310 in the bank. Did I call that or what? Perfect trade, guys. PPT methodology takes you through less than 30 minutes, and there's $310 profit right there, guys. Awesome little setup there. Perfect. And look at this thing blasting through beautifully now. But do I care if it goes a little bit higher? No, I don't, because I made my money. I had my price target, and you want to be firm on it and just walk away and now look for the next trade. And again, that was a beautiful classic trade, played out perfectly like I suspected, and taking the money and running. Congratulations. I gave it on Traders Life, our social network, and see how it pulled back now? That's why you want to sell on that initial pop, because it'll pull back. Great job, guys. Again, fantastic trade. Great job again. Take care, guys.